the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.